Okay guys, I'm going to show you how to remove this rear tail light on this BMW X5 2022 plate. Okay, so we're going to take this out. We have two torque screws here. Okay, now we're going to take this out. Okay, so once we've taken that out, we have here, that one there, 112mm socket. Now it is the same on the other side, but with this side, you do have to take the fuse box out to gain access to that 12mm socket. Okay, so once you've taken all the screws and bolts out, this should just pop out.